Hello everyone, this side Himanshu Sen from Fluent Fusion Academy. I am C1 certified and helped many students to learn German language till B2 C1 level while getting the certificate of Goethe, OSD and TELC for the purpose of going to Germany in study visa, work visa, Ausbildung, the Chancenkarte, the visa opportunity card. And in today's class, we will talk about B1 exam preparation of TELC. Yes. So first of all, we would like to get an introduction about the B1 TELC examination. B1 TELC-Prüfungen. So, in B1 TELC-Prüfung, we have two parts. The first part is schriftlich. The second part is mündlich. In schriftlich part, we have some parts of that, and that are called like the first of all, the part is lesen. Lesen verstehen. Okay, lesen verstehen. You can say either lesen or lesen verstehen. Both have the same meaning. Then the part of lesen is Sprachbausteine. Then Hören, Schreiben. In mündlich we have only Sprechen. So first of all, we will talk about like how many tiles, how many parts we have in each tile. So in lesen you have three parts. In lesen you have three parts. In Sprachbaustein you have two parts. In Hören you have three. In Schreiben you have only one. Now we will talk about like how much marks we have in each tile. In Leser Verstehen you got like 75. Sprachbaustein 30. Hören 75. Schreiben 45. And they will provide you in examination the timing for it each. Like for Leser Verstehen they will provide you like 60 minutes. For Sprachbaustein 30 minutes. 90 minutes for both of them. Hören almost 20 minutes. Then Schreiben 30 minutes. Insgesamt overall like 2 hours, 2 Stunden, 20 Minuten. And the overall of the marks itself 225. And to clear the examination you need at least 135 marks. To clear the examination you need at least 135 marks. Okay, like in Leser Verstehen you have three tiles, so each tile have 25 marks. In Sprachbausteine you have two tiles, each tile have 15 marks. In Hören three tiles, each tile have 25 marks. In Schreiben you have only one, so 45 by 1. Now in Sprechen they will give you 20 minutes the Vorbereitung site. Then the marks will be 75. And to clear the examination you need at least 45 marks. So you and your partner will be go in an empty room. There they will provide you a sheet, a blank sheet and a paper, and they will give you the whole tiles like tile 1, tile 2, tile 3. Okay, wait. In Sprechen you have three tiles. Okay, in Sprechen you have three tiles, and first tile have 15 marks, then other two have 30 into 2, so 75. Yes, so yes, now you and your partner they will give you like three tiles, tile 1, tile 2, tile 3. Then you and your partner will have to write some stichpunkts. You can write there, but only stichpunkts, only keywords, not like hints, not the whole sentences. If you will write there the whole sentences, then what will happen? Then after completing your Sprechen part, they will kept out your seat paper. They will ask you to left behind the seats in the exam room. Okay, then they will check like how much you have written there. If you have written there too much, that means in your Sprechen, during the Sprechen, you have got help from the like the seat itself, and you are only supposed to be read it out by listening them. Okay, but if you have written there only some stichpunkts, that means you have do that all thing the Sprechen itself with your own skills and confidence and knowledge. But if you have written there too much sentences, then they can decrease your marks. And if you have written only stichpunkts, then sometimes if you need 1 to 2 marks to pass the examination, they can give you. Now we will talk about first of all the first part, that is the examination tips, like the grammar, the vocabulary for the Schreiben, Sprechen and Sprachbausteine. Tips for Schreiben, Sprechen, Sprachbausteine. Schreiben, Sprechen, Sprachbausteine. So first of all, you have to pay attention to the Satzstruktur. Like the position of the verb is correct or not, like subject plus verb plus object. Okay, and is conjugated according to the subject or not, the verb. And if you have used there like the connector itself, then conjugated verb come tam ende. If you have Nebenjars, if co-abjars, then verb will always be there second position. If you have like the connectors like Osuda connectors, order, Jondern, und, like that, so the verb will be at second position, and the Osuda like order will be get the position null there. Okay, like that. Then Kaswai, you have to use as much as you can the Kaswai in Sprechen, Schreiben and in Sprachbausteine also. Okay, because in Sprachbausteine there will be like whole grammar and the vocabulary. If you have the good grammar and vocabulary, you can get like better marks, and out of 30 you can get easily out of 25, more than 25. Okay, in Sprechen, you will have conversation with your partner itself. Okay, then you can use their Kaswai. Like in tile 3, you have to discuss something with your like you have to plan something with your partner, then you can have to make suggestions. Can we do this, can we do this? Then you can use Kaswai, because Kaswai is for ideale Bedingungen, ideal situations, Vorschläge machen, Ratschläge machen, to have suggestions, and höfliche Bitte, polite request. So you can use Kaswai there. In Schreiben also, okay, if you have some suggestions and if you want to do something. Then relative charts. You can make relative charts in two ways. Like first of gestern habe ich eine schöne Frau getroffen. Gestern habe ich eine schöne Frau getroffen, comma, the relative pronoun die sehr schön war. The conjugative verb kommt am and die sehr schön war. So that is like only one comma relative charts. We can also make double comma relative charts, like die Frau, then comma, die die like die Frau, comma, die als Krankenschwester arbeitet, comma, sehr war sehr schön, like that. Or then you have to focus on reflexive Verben mit festen Präpositionen. Reflexive Verben mit festen Präpositionen. You have to use as much as you can. If you will use as much as you can in Schreiben Sprechen, you will get better marks ever, and it will be help you a lot in your Sprachbaustein also, Teil 1 and Teil 2. Then NVV, Nomen Verbindung, you have to use at least 2. NVV. If you know about NVV, Nomen Verbindung, then it's okay. Otherwise, I will also show you the list of it. Then Alternativen. Like you can use also modal verb alternative 1 to 2 times. Like for möchten we have like ich habe die Lust. For können we have the Fähigkeit haben. Okay, like and also we have like the Absicht haben. Okay, the Möglichkeit haben, in der Lage sein. Then you can use, and you have to use the alternative of the vocabulary. Like first of all, if you have used wichtig, wichtig means important. Wichtig means important. Then instead of using this again, you can use their bedeutsam. Then instead of using it that again, you can use atemberaubend. So you don't have to repeat same vocabulary again and again. Like first of all, if you have used like this beschweren über, to complain about, then instead of using this again, you can use this beklagen über. Okay, like that. Then like genitive prepositionen, like während have multiple senses. Like während can be work as while, während can be work as while, as whereas. There während will be work as a like a connector. Okay, Nebensatzconnector. The conjugative verb kommt am Ende. But während can also work like the sense during, in which während will be treated like a genitive preposition. Okay, so you should also know about like the things. Then Doppelkonnektoren. You have to use a Doppelkonnektoren as much as you can, at least 4 to 5. Okay, then Hauptsatzkonnektoren, then adverbs like this, like that. Then in Schreiben's present, for Schreiben's present, we will provide you the list of ready to use redamitals phrases so that you can use them directly. Okay, you can use like this also. Okay, like ye desto umso, like with ye verb goes on and conjugated, with desto umso verb are there second position before subject. So we will provide you the grammar topics also. In that we have described like how to use this. Okay, and if it's possible, then we will provide you also the guidance in the classes. Then for B1's present Teil 1, okay, to suggest something, to speak about something, eine Meinung äußern, to express opinion, you can use them. Like is verstehen den Standpunkt, das Verb am Ende, to take the view. So everything is discussed here. Like verb will be where, what will be the subject. You have to just put these in the situation. To agree, to disagree, refuse. So if Zweifel, if you have some doubts, and like how to end this, like so alles ist geplant worden, weiter können wir uns telefonieren. Like that you can use. Okay, nach dem Vorschlag der Meinung, was denkst du darüber, was hältst du davon, was glaubst du daran. So you have to use the structures. Then this is the table of Nomen Verb Verbindung which you have to use. Like in A1 you have learned about like this like only inside means to decide. Then in A2 you have or B1 you have learned about like this inside and fear to take a decision for. But in NVV you have to get another alternative like eine Entscheidung treffen für, to take a decision for. So that's called NVV. And this vocabulary, put it down, zur Verfügung stehen. This is very important and it will be help you a lot. And these kind of things also for like Sprachbaustein and Schreiben's present. we will provide you a whole list of reflexive verb, okay, in which we have indicated like the verb, and if there is a noun of this verb also, then noun also, then adjective, then the fixed preposition, okay. Then here we have like the laser first and tile one. So we will talk about like lesen. In lesen, like in Schreiben, there will be they will provide you only single one Schreiben. You have to write out only single one Schreiben. That can be formal and informal. We will provide the whole structure of that. Like first of all, you have to note down the datum, okay. Then like Betref, then Liebe, like Liebe Petra, and if there is formal, then Gergehörte, okay, like that. Then the ending. Now we will talk about laser first 10. So in laser first 10 tile ones, they will provide you like 10 Überschriften. You have 10 headings and then 5 text itself. Okay. So for each text, you have to find out the heading itself, like which heading suits here am besten. Okay. Like the first question, having the heading of second text. So in second text, we will tell you, we will give you the whole instruction, like where in which line we have find out the answer, like in this line, like in this line, we will always highlight and always tell you, okay. Each tile have 25 marks. Then tile 2, they will provide you a whole text itself from where you have to find out the answers, and you have 3 options. You have to select one of them. We will discuss always like why this is not correct, why this is not correct, and why this is correct, and from which line you have find out the answer. Then tile 3. In tile 3, they provided 10 situations, and according to these 10 situations, we have 10 like info text type, okay, and you have to find out the answer itself. Like 2 to 3 of situations will be there, of which you will not find out the answer from the info text advertisement itself. Then you have to write there cross. Sprachbausteine tile 1, you have 2 Sprachbausteine, each have 15 marks and each have 15 minutes. Like here they have provided blanks, and for each blank you have 3 options, and you have to find out like which one is correct. Like here, wie Sie wissen, Mitte ist nun schon seit 3 Jahren eine Wohnung in Haus. So they have used Wechsel preposition, and here the verb is like the situation is stationary, so that's why the answer will be iherum. Stationary dative motion accusative. Note this is in nominative. Note this is in accusative. So that's why B will be the answer. We will always consider these things. Then tile 2, you have blanks, and you have to find out like you have 10 blanks and you have 12 options. You have to find out like which one will be suit here, okay. We will provide you the whole list of like which one, like these are the topics of Sprechen. Like this, we will provide you the list of Schreiben also, okay, and the table of like about the Sprechen part, Lesen, Hören, and Hören we will discuss Lesen, Hören, Schreiben, Sprechen. Each style we will discuss in our classes, okay. And Schreiben will be always in classes. Sprechen will be always with the random persons, so that you can have the good confidence, and we will provide you every kind of strategy. And after completing your Sprechen with your partner, we will note down the whole mistakes which you have made, and we will always provide you the things, and we will always suggest you like how you can better them, what kind of mistakes you have done, and where you can find like add the grammar and the vocabulary, each and everything. In Schreiben, we will check always your Schreiben, and we will always suggest you like in this line you have made this mistake, you can modify this thing. In Lesen, I have already told you. In Hören, we will play the Hören tile in our classes, online live classes, okay. Then you have to like if you have answer, like if you have the answer made like and you have some wrong questions, okay, answers, then we will play back the whole audio, and we will show you like in this text they have said like this thing, and that's why the answer is correct or incorrect, plus or minus. So that's how we practice for the examination.